So let's continue with our discussion and let's take the example number 3. What we are doing, we are trying to find out the relationship between given configurations, whether they are identical or they are enantiomers of each other or they are diastereomers of each other. Okay, so let's take the next example. If you are seeing it for first time, you have to understand its IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is pentane 2 comma 4 diol, or you can say 2 comma 4 pentane diol. Let me draw another structure. This hydrogen is behind the plane of the screen and this OH is towards us. This OH is away from us and this is H. There is OH, there is H, there is OH, there is H. One more combination is possible, that is OH here, H here, and then here OH, and this is N. So let's call it A, B, C, and D. Now 4C2. Four things have 6 pair of 2. So what is the relationship between A and B? What is the relationship between A and C? What is the relationship between A and D? Similarly, what is the relationship between B and C? What is the relationship between B and D? What is the relationship between C and D? 6 relations. A and B, it's clear. This carbon, on this carbon configuration is same, on this carbon configuration is different. So that cannot be superimposed, because if you change this one, you change this one, then this portion will not work. So ultimately one portion is matching, other portion is not matching. They cannot be mirror image, they cannot be superimposed, so they have to be diastereomer. Similarly, A and C. In A and C, if you see, now you can suppose you see they are mirror image. Suppose I many times I told you where I can put. Suppose I put the mirror like this. I am not putting mirror in the plane of the screen. I am putting mirror, suppose I am putting mirror outside the plane. Outside the plane means either I can put out of the plane or inside the plane of this screen. In any case, this OH and this OH, which are towards us in the mirror image, they will be away from us. And this H and this H, which are away from us, will be towards us. Because we are putting again and again, I am repeating, I am keeping mirror parallel to the screen of the laptop. So this and this, now suppose you say A and C are mirror image, so you can say these are enantiomers. But I told you in that classification you have not, you are not supposed to pick the mirror. First you have to check whether they are superimposable or not. And you understand, if you look closely, A and C are superimposable. If you rotate A by this axis, then this OH will come on the left side. This right side OH will come on the left side. It will be like this. So if you rotate A by this axis, it will be identical to C. It will be identical. So A and C are identical. If you say they are mirror image of each other and you write enantiomer, that's wrong, because mirror image part you check only when you have proved that they are not super. You have to keep this thing in mind. Now what is the relationship between A and D? Now the relationship between A and D, again, on this right side carbon configuration looks same, but on the left carbon it is different. So again they are diisomer. So what about B and C? B and C, again you can see that they are diisomers. What about B and D? B and D. Now if you look carefully, B and D are not identical. If you try to superimpose, they will not get. If you directly put B on D, it will not match. If you rotate it by this axis and then you match, it will again not superimpose, because please understand this. On this left carbon, OH is towards us. Here on the left carbon, OH is opposed. By no manner you can change B into D without breaking the bonds. These are conformational isomers, and because they are mirror image of each other, if you put mirror here, then you can find, you get this. If you put mirror here also, that is perpendicular to the plane of the screen or parallel to the plane of the screen, both cases you will get directly D. What is the difference? If I put mirror parallel to the plane, then what will happen? This B, this carbon is this carbon and this carbon is this carbon. If I put mirror perpendicular to the plane like this going from out to in, that parallel perpendicular mirror, that time what will happen? This carbon will be this carbon and this carbon will be this carbon. So this is a point you should understand. So B and D are non-superimposable mirror image of each other, so they are enantiomers. And C and D, again we know they are diisomers. So A and C are identical, so total there are 4 configurations written, but actually they are only 3 configurations, because A and C are identical to each other. A and C are identical to each other. So I stop here. So for this pentane 2,4 diol, we get 3 different configurations, and we have established their relationships in terms of enantiomers and diisomers, and we are doing theoretical classification of configurational isomers. I will take the next example in the same slide but in another way. Thank you for listening.